Hello all, welcome to our channel House Plans Daily. Today we're going to see the floor plan of in the size 27 feet by 50 feet west facing. The total plot area is 1350 square feet and the build-up area is 1116 square feet. Uh, this is a G plus 2 floor plan. Uh, in the ground floor, in the northwest corner, there is a car parking cum portico. The size of 12 feet 6 inches by 14 feet 6 inches. Main gate is available in the northwest of west side, which is positive area, and main door is also available in the northwest of west. While entering the main door, there is a living room in the size of 10 feet 3 inch by 21 feet, with sofa and TVs also shown in this plan. And then kitchen is available in the southeast corner. Uh, Stove and sink is be placed in the east wall. uh, Sink we should keep in the northeast corner of the kitchen, and stove we can keep in the east or southeast side, so that while cooking we can face the east side, which is good as per Vastu. And fridge is in the northwest corner. Nearby kitchen in the northeast side, there is a dining space in the size of 10 feet 3 inch by 10 feet. And then staircase is available in the center, like inside the house. And then master bedroom is in the size 11 feet by 17 feet. And then bed position we kept in the south side, so that our head will, while sleeping, head will come in the south side. And then wardrobe is available in the western side. Dressing cum attached toilet is available near the master bedroom. Dressing room in the size of 4 feet 6 inches by 4 feet, and attached toilet in the size of 6 feet by 4 feet. In this, commode is placed in the southeast of south. Commodes we should face it should face south or north side. So here we kept in the southern side. So while coming up in the first floor, there is a big balcony space is there in the size of 10 feet 6 inches by 14 feet. And then living room in the size of 10 feet 3 inches by 21 feet, same like ground floor. And then master bedroom also same, like 17 feet by 11 feet by 17 feet. And then dressing 4 feet 16 by 4 feet and 6 by 4 attached toilet, same like ground floor. Here one more additional kids bedroom we kept in the northeast side, 17 by 10, with attached dressing cum toilet in the size of 4 feet 6 inches by 4 feet, and attached toilet size is 4 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. And then in the second floor, here 2 BHK house is there, with kitchen. While coming the second floor, balcony is in the size of 11 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. While entering into the main door, there is a lengthy living room in the size of 10 feet 3 inch by 28 feet 6 inches. And then master bedroom is available in the southwest corner in the size of 11 feet by 12 feet 6 inches, with the dressing come attached toilet of dressing in the size 4 feet 6 inches by 4 feet, and attached toilet in the size 6 feet by 4 feet. Here also commode is in the southeast of south side. South in the east wall, and northwest wash basin is there. And then additional kids bedroom is in the center of south. Uh, Here, ground and first floor houses, we have inside staircase. In the second floor, this is they may use for rental purpose. So we cut the staircase here, which is common outer staircase is available to go, enter into the second floor. So instead of staircase, here we getting one kitchen bedroom area, 11 by 11, And then kitchen is available in the southeast corner in the size of 11 by 10 feet, and dining space 10 feet by 10 feet 3 inch by 10 feet. So this is like a duplex come rental purpose idea. So like this, many house plans are available in our website. You can check it. Our website is www.houseplans.com, and our store website is www.houseplans.world. Also, you can check out our apps, which is available on the Google Play Store. House plans and designs, our designs and plans, plan list and design list app. So thanks for watching. If anyone of your friends and family needs house plan, you can refer us. Please like, share, and subscribe our video channel. Thank you.